for they have to come back with marshmallows because we forgot to buy those. Brock's listening and rocking out like this. Ah! It's so cute. We're at the beach. It's kind of cold.
Already?
It took like an hour to get here. We only live like 10 minutes away.
Let's go.
Yeah. It's kind of cold. Oh, I heard my name.
Oh, ew, that's gross. What do you want to drink?
Oh, I don't know. Whatever.
You said beer or something? What do you want?
Beer?
I don't like beer.
Really
What do you want? What do you want? Stop videotaping me and tell me what you want.
I don't know. What do you want?
I don't care.
You want Smirnoff?
Something that tastes good.
Okay, what do you recommend?
Smirnoff? You want Smirnoff?
Yeah, something that's
Smirnoff.
good.
Get Smirnoff.
Like
Smirnoff.
what?
Smirnoff.
There's Jonathan and Brock hella far in the ocean. I don't know how can it be in there. It's really, really cold. It's funny how we're at the beach and they say no alcohol, and there's a big ass sign that says Bacardi with the plane. Crazy, huh? As you can tell, they're still trying to catch a wave, which is not happening. It's like halfway in, but it's cold. I got my skirt all wet. But
Hello, Brock.
How you doing?
I just say that.
Oh, pickup lines.
That's what we're gonna do, like customer service. Because we were doing customer service and that guy next to me.
Oh, he works for
You
AT&T.
go-
He
you go
works
to
for AT&T.
people's- Yeah, go into people's house and you go, how you doing?
Hi, Dad.
Wow, that's the best thing you have to say.
It's better than. How's it going?
What the hell did you do?
I'm gonna
I
stop.
didn't do
The
a
ocean,
kiss,
look at
though.
that. The people.
Did you see what I did?
Vince. Little baby. Coughing.
What did I say? I'm an old baby, dude.
So it's then in night.
That's just
The end of the night.
Kinda day.
Not even.
And shut up.
It's like 7.
It's 8.
Okay, it's 8. I'm sorry. Show that shit.
My feet are cold.
Yes, I'm cold. Look this shit. Look at this cake.
Wait. That's a muscle. That's a
All I saw was an ass.
What's the cake? No fucking way. Wow.
That's a cake, guys.
That's a cake.